So this is gonna be attached to the video. I am inside my house and the snow from the trees falls down and look, it's blizzard conditions outside. Look at that. How cool is that? You can't see anything. That's snow, guys. Oh my God, insane. So this is going on you know what? I'll put this at the beginning of the video.
Subscribe now.
But I just want to start this right here. This is it's literally like, I mean, look at how deep this is. This is it's just about 2 feet of snow. You'll see. I know it doesn't look like it right here, but you'll see. Oh, finally, I've had to like de-snow my freaking motorcycle garage a ton already. Look at how deep this is. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay. Guys, this is so awesome. Okay. All right. Oh, it's cold. It's in the mid-20s right now. Oh, train horn, man. There's a leak, so my friend Dave, who installed it's gonna fix it. Yeah, I gotta put on my seatbelt. And we're just gonna do a short update over by, we're gonna go into the Moonridge area where there will be a little even deeper snow than this. So, let's get ready. I hope we don't get stuck. No chains, guys. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying we're doing this without any chains. Okay, so when we get up here in the main part of the driveway, look at how deep the snow is. You'll see parts that are at least 2 feet. It might not look like it from this perspective, but I'm telling you. Look on the left here. Look at how deep that is. That is absolutely ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am loving it. Don't mind my brights, people. Woo! Alright. Moonridge Road, getting a little... Can't even get sideways intentionally too bad. That's a bummer. These tires are that good, you guys. Oh, I forgot to get the brand. Dang it. A few of you asked me what type of tires I'm using. And I will let you know. You know what? On the next street, I'm going to pull over and check it out. How about that? That's what I'm going to do. In my t-shirt. I had shorts on all day doing these videos earlier. Yeah, I can't believe me. I can't believe me, my friend. Or shall we go down Evergreen? Yeah, it doesn't look like there's much. It's been plowed, so we'll go down Evergreen. Yeah, it has been plowed, some of it. Okay, we're gonna pull over real quickly, and I'll show you guys the tires so you guys can check them out. Okay, hang on. All right, hang on. Hopefully it's not all covered in snow. Oh man, they're totally encased in snow, but I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll have to figure it out later, you guys. I'm sorry. I can't tell. Too much snow. Too much snow and ice on the side of it. Oh, you know what? I think I have a receipt in the car. Yes, I do have a receipt, guys. They're called, okay, maybe it's not telling me exactly what it is. They're called TBC. The part number from Gino's Tires is PXV96U. I don't know what the heck kind of tires these are, you guys. I'm sorry. I will let you know as soon as I can. As soon as I can see them. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. make a left, and then we're gonna head down to Switzerland again and see if we can actually make it through Switzerland this time again. Last time it was pretty bad. We barely made it, but we did. Oh, stop sign. Yep, there's a stop sign. Look at that, guys. I'm not sliding. How insane is that? Look at that. Look at how much snow is on those trees. My goodness. Man, snowmobile weather, guys. This would be so much fun in a snowmobile. Oh, wait. No, I don't want to turn on this tree. I want to turn on this tree right here. My bad. Alright. Alright. Braking no problem. Let's make a left here on Crestwood. Happy Thanksgiving again to everybody. I'm taking my mom to Captain's Anchorage in an hour and a half for dinner. I'm really excited about that. But I want to make sure I get these last videos in while there's some light. I'm not saying the last ones of the night, I promise you that. We're going to do a live feed later, you guys, with mom in the car helping me out, so I'm not holding the phone, doing all the driving and talking and reading the comments. I need help. Okay, we're at Switzerland now. We're going to make a left. We're good. All right, wow, guys. Look at this. Woo! All right, Nick, you got it. You got this. Hit it, hit it. Boom! Like a glove. Oh, we're getting pulled all over, dude. This is sick. I am loving this. And there aren't any hills on either side of us where kids are going to be sledding, okay? I promise you. I'm just going a little bit fast. Oh, we're going to bottom out right here if I don't slow down. Okay. All right. And this is where I bottomed out earlier, guys. Believe it or not. We got to go super slow. I was hauling, and I bottomed out right there. Okay. Whoa. Yes, guys. This is so deep. And they don't plow this road right here. This is someone's own personal truck that they were nice enough to do this. And now we're going way uphill right here. Okay, all right, oh gosh. Please don't be coming down, somebody. Please don't be coming down. Please don't. Oh, we made it. Oh, it's the bus. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's a snowplow, I'm sorry. I thought it was the bus. It's gonna be easier for you to turn around, bro. I have a Subaru. You have a snowplow. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. I got it, dude. I got it. I got it, brother. I got this. I'm going that way. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Dude, even he was struggling getting around. Look at me, guys. This is just insane. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely redonkulous, guys. I haven't had this much fun in the snow up here since I've lived here driving. I really haven't. This is absolutely incredible. And this is kind of like the back road to Bear Mountain. But most people will get stuck on this road. I'm not joking. I'm not trying to say I'm God's gift to snow driving. Close. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Gosh, I'm not like that. Jeez, guys, take these. But yeah, my gosh, guys, this is absolutely ridiculous. I'm having so much fun right now. I'm gonna try to shut up for a minute. I know it's really hard for me to do that, but we're gonna try. Okay, so we're going 17 miles per hour. I have my eyes way up ahead. Now there's some people right here. Slow down to about 10. There we go. Oh, look at how much fun that looks like. Look at how deep the snow is on their car. Wow. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Alright guys, so let's just let's drive like we got nothing to lose. Oh, look at this tree, huge tree branch in the road. Luckily it didn't fall on the power lines because that's what causes power outages. Okay, we're in Moonridge, you guys, if you were wondering. This is absolutely redonkulous.